Welcome back. I am Rahul Joshi. In this video, we are diving deep into the HTTP request node, the single most powerful node in n8n. Whether you want to connect to a CRM, a payment platform, an AI tool, or literally any SaaS product with an API, this node is your gateway. By the end, you'll have a live workflow that pulls company data from the web and saves it straight into Google Sheets. Let's go. Step 1. What is the HTTP request node? The HTTP request node lets you talk to any REST API, get to fetch, post to send, put to update, delete to remove. Authentication, API key in the header or query param, bearer token in the authorization header, OAuth 2 for Google or Salesforce, basic auth for username password APIs. For SERP API, we're using a query parameter. API underscore key goes directly in the URL through an n8n credential. Never hardcode keys on the canvas. URL is serpapi.com/search. Query parameters, engine equals Google, Q equals our search query, num equals 10. API underscore key pulls from the stored credential. Hit execute, raw JSON appears in the output panel. Most APIs paginate. SERP API returns a next underscore page token when there's more. Check if it exists, loop back, fire another request, repeat until it's gone. Step 2. Data transformation. APIs return messy data. SERP API gives us a huge JSON object with organic results, ads, knowledge panels. We only want the clean stuff. That's what this code node does. We grab the organic underscore results array and map over it, pulling out company name from title, website from displayed underscore link, description from snippet, and source URL from link. We also stamp a scraped underscore at timestamp on every record. The output is a clean flat array, exactly what Google Sheets expects. Step 3. Saving to Google Sheets. Last stop, Google Sheets. The node is set to append mode, so it adds new rows every run without overwriting anything. Our column mappings connect each field from the code node straight to the right column. Hit execute and watch your sheet fill up live. And this node is totally swappable. Airtable, Notion, a CRM webhook, an email, whatever your stack looks like, just plug it in here instead. And that's the HTTP request node, from raw API call to clean structured data in Google Sheets in under 5 minutes. Grab the workflow JSON from the link in the description, import it into your n8n, drop in your SERP API key, and you're live. If this was useful, I'll drop one free workflow like this every week inside my school community. JSON file included, setup guide included, completely free. Over 130 people are already using these. Link in the description. Come join us.